shaking up the earthquake app. Tonight, new technology being unveiled that can help give people more time to move to safety when a strong earthquake strikes. Ashley Nanfria is here getting answers on how experts are detecting quakes from space. Ashley.
Well, the app actually sends out an alert before the strong shaking begins, and the data behind that warning, well, it's actually becoming a lot more accurate.
When an earthquake hits California, the state's MyShake app is designed to instantly send out a warning, giving people up to several seconds to take cover before the strong seismic waves hit.
It absolutely is a success.
Robert DeGroot with the U.S. Geological Survey says the Shake Alert system has been active since 2019.
We know that this tool does work and that it has a lot of potential for everyone in California.
Now Shake Alert is using new technology to make earthquake warnings more accurate. The system previously relied on a network of ground-based seismometers, but now it's also using GPS sensors. Those can measure the strength of the quake from space-based satellites.
Instead of measuring how fast the ground is moving, is what seismometers do, we are now measuring how far the ground moved, up, down, sideways. And what that translates into potentially is getting alerts to people faster.
He says the new data can more accurately determine the magnitude of larger earthquakes, like the Loma Prieta quake that struck San Francisco in 1989.
We need that extra information to give us a more accurate and potentially faster characterization of how big that earthquake is getting.
The early warning also provides time to automatically stop trains, open doors at fire stations, and shut down pipelines. Actions that can help save lives.
The farther you're away, the more warning time you'll get. Even a couple of seconds matters.
The Shake Alert system also covers Oregon and Washington State. Guys.